Welcome back to day 2 of our Java for Beginners series. Today, we will understand variables and data types, the building blocks of every Java program. A variable in Java is like a container that stores a value. Just like you store items in a box, Java stores information inside variables. We name the variable, choose its type, and assign a value. Here are some basic examples. Age is an integer, name is a string, and marks is a decimal value, called a double. Data types tell Java what kind of value a variable will store. Java has two categories: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive types include byte, short, int, long, float, double, char, and boolean. These are built in and store simple values like numbers, characters, or true and false. Here are some practical examples. Notice how each data type stores a specific kind of value. Non-primitive types include string, arrays, and classes. For example, string stores a sequence of characters, like the name of a city. Variable names should be meaningful. Use camel case, avoid spaces or numbers at the beginning, and never use reserved keywords as names. Here is a complete example showing how variables work together. This code prints the name, age, and salary stored inside variables. This was day 2 of our Java course. In day 3, we will learn Java operators. Make sure to subscribe and continue your journey in Java programming.